Oh my gosh. Okay, it's Trisha with SparkleFarts PaperCrafts, and this might be I might be the most proud of this work of anything I've done. This was started back in June with Tracy Fox's Creep on June with the Nevermore kit. And I put together a bunch of pieces, but had a vision that didn't really come together. And then decided last month to break this back out. And I used a combination of the Cabinet of Curiosities from Tracy Fox, some of the Antique Family Photo Album from Seven Plaza, and some Edgar Allan Poe pieces, not only from Nevermore, but also, I want to say it was My Porch Prints. And so just kind of finally pulled this whole thing together. It is a 3 signature journal. She is a chunky beast. And it's just made out of chipboard and some old scrapbook paper. And here I used the jute twine. Now this is just an image of Edgar Allan Poe on the front. And then I've tucked in a couple of curiosity cabinets full of fun, creepy things that felt very Poe-esque to me. And just have those tucked in the front. And there are hints of pages from an Edgar Allan Poe book throughout here and torn throughout. So let's do a quick flip through. I haven't decided if I'm willing to part with this one yet because I'm so proud of it, but I do want to show you a lot of the little things that we've done in it and see what you think. So I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. So here we have this multi-layered pocket. I can't remember who I got this idea from, but it was watching from the Creep on June. And so I've got lots of tags in here with the classic monsters, the pumpkin head. I've added in some fabric in this one and done a lot of collage work. You'll see some tags. I took a lot of the scraps from this kit and created a master board and then used a bunch of those tags. And we've got journaling cards and things hidden all throughout, and that one wants to stick. So then there's another layered one here, and this is one of the Nevermore kits. Some old ledger, and again, another one of those collage tags using the master board from all my scraps. And so we've got pockets throughout here. Lots of coffee dyed, lots of grunge and deckled edges to really elevate that vintage feel. And then bringing in all those dark, grungy colors. And then bringing in, again, a lot of layers, fabrics, a lot of texture in this one. Just really having fun with all of the texture and fabric flips. These were so fun. These were Tracy Fox's bases and just playing with, I don't know if you can see the transparency here and the wolf man back there. We've got the werewolf, the raven, and I love these little poems throughout. By a road obscure and lonely, haunted by ill angels only, where an eidolon named Night on a black throne reigns upright. And I just liked the way this felt like it was raining over the sea. Hair-raising spirits. We've got some more of these layered tags, and it's got some little tickets and stuff in it. This one's kind of big, so it's either going to be a really long one or I'm going to skip over a few things. But here again, we've got the lace and we've got some texture paste here. And again, creating all of these fun layers, but there's journaling space on the back in all these nooks and crannies. From here and here, I think these might have been from the My Porch Prints collection. I think that little mummy's so cute. So cute. And here, bringing in some more texture with the clip. This one was really fun. This was creating a window, and I embossed on this die cut piece. And then we can open it and see some letters to Poe written in here. And then just clip that back on here. And again, I don't think I could possibly show you all the things that are tucked in here, but So much fun. This one really pushed me to try different techniques. Here's another one of those curiosity, and just created a little tuck here. And this is Pose Lenore. To really play with texture, combine lots of different techniques and elements, which I honestly don't feel like I'd done a lot of bringing in fabrics and lace in different ways outside of a tag. I think this was from Ink and Page, maybe some Google Glitter Graphics, kind of mixing some of those elements together of the freebies I've gotten over time, finally using them. And some of these tags are fun little flip outs, added some charms. This is where you can see I really got to playing with some of the sprays and the paints, and playing with how to take a piece of printed paper and really antique it. This is a fun one. I don't know if you can see the picture in this, but this is, Paula and I did a fun jelly printing day. We're playing with image transfers, and I love how creepy this came out. It was perfect for Halloween. I don't know if you can really see the skulls in there. And some more of these fun transparencies where the tags will come in and out and kind of give you a little play with the window effect there. I'm going to add a few charms here. Some dangles off of that. This was, I think it was Silver and Sparkles that did a tutorial on upside down tags, and that's where that idea came from. More flips and pockets. Thought I had a couple more flips in here. Some ledger. It's been coffee dyed, book pages. There was one of the flip outs I had. And another one here. And a little folio in here. I made this kind of one large tuck, but with layering, kind of a collaged tuck of different elements. I thought that was pretty fun. And we have another envelope flip here. I think we're almost to the back. Oh yeah, here's another fun Frankenstein with the transparency, and he flips out and opens. And this was a really fun belly band where I played with fabric and some stitching just to make it feel a little bit Frankenstein, is kind of how that spoke to me. And I think that's it. This is the Nevermore journal. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are there things that you think I should add to it? And do I keep it or do I sell it? I might have to keep this one. But if you're interested in one, I could always make another one. Like I said, she turned out to be a little chunkier than I anticipated. And I still have so many of those elements left over from the Nevermore kit that I really probably should do another one. Let me know what you think in the comments. And we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to download your 10-page freebie of vintage documents from our Ko-Fi shop. That link will be below.